Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a pie chart in DaVinci Resolve. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new Fusion composition. Drag a background node into the workspace and connect its output to the Media Out node. This sets up your basic canvas. Next, select the background node and choose a base color for your chart. This simple setup is the foundation for our easy pie chart creation. Now, let's create our first pie slice. Add an ellipse mask to your background node. Make sure the width and height are equal to form a perfect circle. Then, introduce a paint node after the background. Within the paint node, you can draw a line or shape that will define the angle of your pie slice. This method gives you precise control over each segment's size and appearance. To add more slices, simply duplicate your existing background and paint node setup. Change the color of each new background and adjust the paint node's angle to represent different data values. For animation, keyframe the angle parameter of your paint node to create a smooth reveal effect. Finally, add text nodes for labels and percentages to clearly communicate your data. This brings your pie chart to life. For a polished look, consider adding a drop shadow effect to your pie chart. This gives it a nice visual depth and makes it stand out. Once all your slices and animations are complete, group your nodes together for better organization within Fusion. This keeps your workspace tidy and manageable. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other fantastic deals. Export your finished video and share your data visually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.